I've been involved in all of the first competitions for pretty much all of the years, and each time, other than in year seven was the only time that I went. I did not show up. I dropped out. I had other things to focus on. I didn't enjoy working in those teams as much as I enjoyed doing Nexgen. Because this was the first year, it was more casual, it was more loose, there were more unknowns, and I feel like we actually have an influence on how Nexgen is going to develop into the future and how the next year is going to play out, and the changes in the rules, the changes in the competition itself, and it felt more important to me. And I really, really enjoyed doing this, and that's why I'm actually here today. So thank you very much.
So the IT Robotics Challenge is really about getting schools in the Sydney area really motivated and excited about learning new stuff and pushing their boundaries in terms of what they know about technology. It's a little bit different from other robotics challenges in that apart from the usual kind of self-drive and those kind of things, it's also got aspects of connecting to the cloud using industry standard software from Microsoft Azure, visualizing that data on a dashboard or from the robot whilst it's collecting all this sensor data. There's all kinds of issues, design problems going on there that students have had to solve.
The winner was Meriden. I think it was unanimous across all of us. So congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.